All right. Good morning. Happy Monday, everybody. I hope y'all had a great weekend. I know my family and I did. And we are officially into the last week of school year 21-22 with our students. So I know for many kiddos, if they haven't already, they will come out of the woodworks this week because it is crunch time. High school's finishing up exams. Middle school's wrapping up all of their coursework and assignments. K-5 is wrapping up all their lessons and progress and all of that good stuff. So I think there's some end of the year testing still happening on just catching some of those last few kids, all of that good stuff. So please support your students and your families any way that you can so that we can help them get to the end of the school year on Friday as best we can, as successful as they can be, and sending them off to a fantastic summer vacation. So I've been busy going through all of the advisor newsletters this morning and approving those and sending you all a follow-up email that says good to go, please send out today, or please make sure you add this, etc. They look fantastic. So thank you for your time on those. Y'all did a great job. I am probably going to create a folder in Google Drive to have you upload those to because I'd like to have those just as references and just so everybody can kind of see everybody else's because you all did some fantastic things with those. So those should be going out today. Please make sure that you send those out today once you receive that email from me saying you're good to go, and get those out to your students and families so that they know what's happening over the summer, that they can sign up for the park outings, all of that good stuff. Just trying to put I sent the park outing stuff last week. You all will send it today, and then we'll send reminders each week for that specific park that is happening throughout the summer. So they will get lots of reminders about our summer park outings, We Connect Wednesdays, all of that good stuff. And we're going to talk some more about some of those summer things and planning for them in specifics next week. So looking ahead to next week, I do have our June calendar, which I've been working to update, but the two things I want to call your attention to for next week is that we do have our team meeting on Monday, June 13th at 9:30. This is going to be our summer planning, more of the information that you need, all of the good things. We're going to get it all squared away and set next week so that when you do work your week during the summer, everything is ready to go for you to make it an easy week. That is our plan. We will also have a team meeting on Friday, June 17th. So not this Friday, but next Friday at 11:30. That is our Summer is Here celebration, kickoff to summer, exit y'all out, etc. I do have some open office hours this week. If you need anything at all, they'll be tomorrow, June 7th at 9:15, right after our team huddle. Or Thursday, June 9th at 2:30. So if you need anything, pop into either one of those. Just a few to-do items for this week. Click this link here and nominate one of your fellow team members for our June Student Support Member of the Month. I'd like to get them announced next Monday when we meet as a team. And also our nominations for our May Mindset of the Month for Live to Give for our students went out this morning to all staff, and those are due by Friday. So I've included that link here in our weekly update slides as well for you. The other thing is our summer work reminders. If you need a reminder of what your week is that you are working this summer, click here. It's going to take you to the Sign Up Genius. You'll be able to find your name and see the week that you're working. All staff is working next week, June 13th through the 17th, because that's our planning week for the summer. Starting June 20th is when we start our week rotations. So if you don't work the week of June 20th, then that's when your summer vacation starts, okay? You will work your 1 week between June 20th and August 1st. The other 5 weeks, you're on your summer vacation time. All of us on the student support team and teachers, etc., are all back to work August 1st, and you should already have that August 1st team meeting on your calendar. If there's any questions at all around any of that, just reach out and let me know. I'd be happy to chat with you about it. Looking at our June calendar, those advisor summer newsletters are going out today. We do have that team huddle tomorrow at 8:45. That is our final team huddle for this school year. June 10th is our last day of school. It is a half day. It is also zoo day. Timesheets are due for those of you that turn timesheets in. And then next week, we have that team meeting at 9:30, lots of planning time next week, and a wrap-up team meeting at 11:30 next week, Friday, June 17th. And then, like I said, June 20th is when those summer weeks start. So you will work your 1 week between June 20th and August 1st. The other 5 weeks, you're on summer vacation time. We'll talk a little bit more about that next week on June 13th at our team meeting. I did put on the calendar for both June and, if you scroll down, July, the summer check-in meetings that are happening at 9 a.m. And just to help us all out, I did put in parentheses which staff members that applies to, because that's whoever's working for that particular week. So you can always check there too to see which week you are. I think that is it for this morning. If there are any questions, reach out, let me know. I will see everybody at 8:45 tomorrow for our final team huddle of the school year. And then my open office hours are tomorrow at 9:15 directly following that. So have a fantastic Monday. Have a great final week of school with students, and I will chat with you all later.